Hey guys, it's your girl Shakila. Welcome back to my channel, Natural Soul Care. So one of my friends has requested me to do my famous low sleek. I like to do this whenever I'm going out and I know I'm gonna spend a long day because you know the humidity in Jamaica. If you go out with your twist out and your braid out, you just have a plan say it go shrink up or your style go gone or something. So if you wanna see how I got my low sleek, keep on watching.
This is for them queens that's rocking them kinky twists. From box braids to bantu knots and four lips, them dreadlocks, crochets, afros, and
First thing first, is best to start off and stretch here. So for this style, you're gonna need some scrunchies, water, a detangling brush, a regular brush, your gel, and got to be glue, which is going to lay those edges down. So I'm starting off with sectioning my hair. So because my hair is thick, what I'm going to do is to create around 4 different sections, and as we go along you guys will see more of that. So I like to start at the back section. So first you're going to spray the hair with water and then you're going to follow up with your gel. So first I'm going to use the detangling brush to smooth my hair down, just to kind of detangle it a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my regular soft bristle brush. So I'm going to put this first section in a ponytail using my satin scrunchies, and I would suggest using satin scrunchies because it gives you less breakage. With the regular scrunchies, you can find your hair tangled in that scrunchies, but for this one it's not the case, so it has a lot of benefits. So as you can see, I'm going on to the next section, so I'm repeating the same process. So I added the water first, then the gel, and then I'm using my brushes to smooth my hair down. So you want to make your hair as slick as possible for this style, and it's best to start with detangled hair. So ensure that you detangle your hair properly for this style so it's not puffy. As you can see, I had a little bit of puffiness because I did not detangle my hair properly. So what persons normally do for this style is that they would use multiple scrunchies so that they're not removing the scrunchie to add each section, but I had decided just to use one scrunchie for this style. So as you can see, I'm going to remove that one and then add a section in. So I'm all the way to the front now, and I'm just repeating the same process again, as you can see. So I want to say real quick, the crucial part of having a sleek ponytail is ensuring that you tie down your hair. As you can see, I use multiple satin scarves. Alright, so quick tip before I even take down my hair: do not use mousse if you are in a hurry. It was my first time actually putting on mousse on my hair, because I thought it would have looked neat, just like how the other girls to put on mousse, because I don't normally use mousse. I normally just finish up with the got to be glow, but today I decided to use mousse. My hair wasn't dry, so it's not that slick, so I had to tie it down, get the blow dry, and then to try to dry it at the same time. This is my final results, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.